Do you ever feel like you are working hard but not actually getting closer to your goals? You are busy, you are hustling, but somehow your biggest dreams keep slipping further away. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Today, we are diving into the exact strategies that will help you stay laser focused on what truly matters. Here's the truth: focus isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. And by the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to eliminate distractions, maintain momentum, and actually achieve the goals you have been putting off for too long. Let's start with the most people lose focus in the first place. The problem: modern life is designed to distract you between social media, notification, endless emails, and the pressure to do everything at once. Your attention is being pulled in a thousand different directions. You start your day with a big ambitions, but by lunchtime you have a scrolling through your phone, responding to messages that could have waited, and somehow forget what you were even working toward. The problem isn't that you lack discipline, the problem is that you haven't built a system to protect your focus. And without a system, here is the strategy number one: get brutally clear on what you actually want. Most people have goals like get fit or be successful, but goals create you results. You need speciality. Instead of I get fit, try work out for 30 minutes, 5 days a week, and lose 50 pounds in 3 months. Instead of be successful, define what success looks like for you. It's a certain income, a specific job title, freedom to travel. Write down your goal in one clear sentence. Make it measurable. Make it time bound. Isn't just motivational fluff. When your brain knows exactly what target to hit, it can focus all its energy on getting there. Here is the bonus tip. Ask yourself why this goal matters. Consult it to your deeper values. When you know your why, staying focused becomes easier because you are not just chasing a result. You are pursuing something that genuinely matters to you. Strategy to eliminate distractions. Ruthless eliminate distraction. There is where most people fail. They know what they want, but they let their environment them. If you trying to write a book, but your phone is buzzing every 5 minutes, you are never going to make progress. So here what you do: first, identify your biggest distractions. For most people, turn off notification. Better it, but your phone in another room during deep work sessions. Use website blockers to keep you off social media during work hours. Second, create a dedicated workspace. Your brain associates environments with behaviors. If you work from your bed, your brain thinks it's time to relax. If you have a specific desk or area for focus work, your brain switches into productivity mode automatically. Third, schedule your focus time. Block out specific hours on your calendar where you do nothing but work on your goal. Treat these blocks as non-negotiable appointments with yourselves. Strategy number three: break it down. Strategy three: break your goal into tiny actionable steps. Big goals are overwhelming. When you look at a mountain you need to climb, it is easy to feel paralyzed. But here is the secret: you don't climb a mountain in one step. You climb it 1 foot at a time. Take your big goal and reverse engineer it. What needs to happen this month, this weeks, today? If your goal is to launch a business, your task today might just be research of 30 minutes. That it just 30 minutes. Small action create momentum. And momentum is what keep you focused. When you complete small wins every single day, you build a confidence and proof that you are actually making progress. Strategy number four: track your progress. What gets measured gets managed. Create a simple tracking system where you can see your progress every single day. This could be a habit tracker, a spreadsheet, or even just a check marks on a calendars. The visual feedback is incredible powerful. When you see a chain of successful days, you won't want to break it. It creates positive pressure to keep going. Plus, on the days when your motivation is low, you can look back to see how you have already come. That reminder can be the push you need to keep moving forward. Strategy number five, protect your energy. It's like your most valuable access because you are running on empty. That fuels your brain, moving your body regularly, and taking real breaks. I am not talking about scrolling through social media, I am talking about stepping away, going for a walk, doing something that genuinely recharge. Also, pay attention to your peak energy times. Most people have certain hours of the day when you are naturally more focused. Most some it is early mornings for others. It is late at night. Figure out when you are best and schedule your most important work during those windows. Strategy number six, accountability. It is easy to let yourself when no one else know about your goals. But when you share your commitment with someone else, everything changes. Tell a friend what you are working on. Join a community of people pursuing similar goals. Hire a coach or find an accountability partner. Schedule regular checks-ins where you report your progress, knowing that someone is going to ask, did you do what you said about what do? Creates healthy. You are not just accountable yourself anymore, you are accountable to someone who invested in your success. Now let's talk about what happens when you lose focus, because it will happen. You will have off days, you will get distracted, you will fall behind. You are the key. Don't let on bad day turn into a bad week. The difference between who achieve their goals and people who don't isn't perfection, it is resilience. It's the ability to get back on track quickly. When you slip up, don't waste energy beating yourself up. Just acknowledgeable it. Figure out what went wrong and adjust. Do you try to do much? Do something in your environment distract you? Use the information to make your system better. Remember, progress isn't linear. There will be ups and downs. What matters is that you keep moving forward. So let's recap. To stay focused on your goals, get crystal clear on what you want, what it matters. Eliminate distraction, protect your focus on time, break your big goal into a small daily action, track your progress, visually protect your energy through sleep, nutrition, and real rest. Build accountability into process, and when you fall off track, get back on immediately. Focus is a skill, and like any skill, it is stronger with practice. You don't need to perfect, need to consistent. One focused day leads to one focused week, which leads to one focused month, and before you know it, you have achieved something that once seemed impossible. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on productivity and personal growth. Drop your comment below and tell me what's one goal you are commenting to stay focused on this month. I read every comment and I want to hear from you. Goodbye. See you in the next video.